Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho, it's about uthando nesimbu season 8. I think it was episode 19, if not episode 20. I'm not sure, but I'm episode guys angisabali. So because of uthando nesimbu, in a week idlala kayi-2, idlala ngolwesithathu iphinde idlale ngolwesine. So today it was ilanga elikhulu where ubaba uMusamseliku bokuyilanga le-party yakhe and he was celebrating 50 years. Guys, I must say whoever organized a party beyinhle kakhulu. Everything, the decor was beautiful. Wonke umuntu bagcoke kahle, like, and I'm so happy that abantu, angisakhuluma abantu befamily, abantu who were invited there, they honored the invitation because they bagcoke kahle. Yabo, it looks so nice and classy, guys. So guys, I wanted us to talk about ispeech saka Mpumelelo. Firstly guys, ngifuna nazi ukuthi uMpumelelo bakangabhalwanga ukuthi enze ispeech, bangabizwanga ukuthi uzenza ispeech, but indlela uMpumelelo athole ngayo ithuba lokuthi akhulume ispeech is because umnini bokucela uAbonge nomnini uAbonge kusukumile wakhuluma, and we know Abonge mo, she's the queen, wakhuluma wahlonipha. And yabo guys, I always say uMacele singasho sithi uyinto eyiningi, but we must give uMacele her flowers. Asaphila ingane zakaMacele ziyahlonipha. One, ingane zakaMacele zayazi into emezikhulume ngesikhathi esi-right, and ngibona ngathi ingane zaMacele imfundo zayithatha. Yes, we don't know ukuthi uLwandle uphelele phi ngemfundo, but I even heard that the allegations that uLwandle was not doing well esikoleni, not because angasifuni isikole, but we know that there are kids uNkulunkulu angabaphanga ukuhlakanipha kwencwadi, kodwa nje uLwandle egcekeni usiza ngendlela eyisimanga. And it's one person I think uMusamseliku mele ambike imqondo and amnike, I think into zakhe right, like asho into zakhe uMusamseliku kuLwandle, because uLwandle ubahlonipha mamakhe bonke ngokulingana. One, uLwandle ulanda zonke ingane zakubo, even on the YouTube channel akamnini nabantwana bakubo, it was called Mnini and Friends. You could see ukuthi uLwandle was always there nengane zakubo, wherever mnini afuna ukuhamba uLwandle ubekazomkhapha. That shows ukuthi uLwandle understand ukuthi as much as umnini ngasumntana kama wami, but because umntana kababami and sisethembini umama kamnini umama mama and umnini ubhuti wami. I understand bazala bamzitho. So uthemba kusekufika isikhathi sokuthi kukhulume umnini is young. I don't know why bebambeke ukuthi akhulume, but ke base kufika isikhathi sokuthi akhulume umnini couldn't talk because he was very emotional. Esibonile kuma shots, he was very emotional. Ukhalile uvele nje wabonga, asamela akhuluma ngoba bakhe wakhala wathi lesa sikhathi lesa ubabakhe agula bokungekho kuhle kamampela, bokungekho kuhle ukubona umuntu omthandayo and umuntu ohlala who's always by your side agula. And it shows ukuthi guys ukugula kaMusamseliku, a lot of people they may take it light, but it seems like it was a huge thing. And mina, if you know, with stroke, a lot of people lost their lives because of stroke. So even nami eyangithusa makuthiwa uMusa ushawe stroke, you understand. And at his age, Musa stroke bekana 49 azotena 50, bekasamdala. A lot of people mabashaya stroke babadala abalulami babuye babe right. Omunye mhlambe makusukuthiwa right, thola ukuthi mhlambe isandla sisasebenzi, yayibona, because of age and amathambo awasalule kahle, but ngamandla kaNkulunkulu nesithonga la kaMusa, uMusa ubuye waba right. Nje inkinga sokwamehlo, which is manje sahlala abugcoke izibuko. So uthe umpumele umntwana makakhala lapho wanikwa amanzi, umntwana wasukuma ke uMusamseliku Junior Mpumelelo Mseliku. Mpumelelo wathatha imic wachubeka wachaza nje ukuthi umfana njengoba khala emotional because ubaba makagula bokungekho right. Then wathi ziningi izinto ezenza kaMseliku. Mina to my understanding, I think uMpumelelo Mseliku unesithembu sakhe sama girlfriend esimhlulayo mabambuza ama question ukuthi aphendule, esimhlulayo manje sikhanda masingathi imali lapha Mpumelelo uchaza ukuthi njengoba uthi ufuna isithembu usifuna ngantoni, uzohluleka uMpumelelo uphendula. But uMpumelelo uyakwazi ukuma ku-birthday kababakhe, and it shows ukuthi uMpumelelo uyadelela, and uMayeni has been complaining ngoMpumelelo, uMusamseliku kamvuna. So uMpumelelo umile washo ukuthi ziningi izinto ezenzeka kaMseliku ezingekho right, and kuningi yena angakusho but uzokugodla. Cabanga uMpumelelo utshela abantu ephathini lokho. So ubabakhe was not very happy about that, even nabo mamakhe, even though singabonanga biological mother yakhe, which is mayeni ukuthi yena bekangathini ngale behavior umntanakhe, but abanye mama they were not happy. He even called yena uMpumlelo, he even called yena uMpumlelo Mseleku as a lion, uthi kuba wambiza nge-lion. That was the first time hearing the name lion, ukuthi not hearing that abantu bakamseleku babiza uMpumlelo lion, or even ama-fans. I've never heard someone abiza uMpumlelo a lion, but I've heard people saying uMpumlelo is Two-Phethu, which is our fans, and I've heard abantu befamily bathi uMpumlelo unesibindi, and that name yesibindi bamnika long time ago because bebathi unesibindi, not knowing ukuthi lo mntwana akanasibindi. Into yalo mntwana nje uyadelela and uyacabanisa, and he thinks that because he's the firstborn son kaMusa Mseleku, uMusa Mseleku or izinto zakababakhe izakhe, singazi noma uMusa Mseleku wayemtshela lokho. uMusa Mseleku is not happy about behavior kaMpumlelo. He said uMpumlelo ucabanga ukuthi labafazi bakhe, labafazi which is abomama bakaMpumlelo, abomacele, mayeni, mangwabe, umakhumalo ebakhe, ufuna ukushayela abakhosikazi kaMusa Mseleku isicathulo nje kuzwe esakhe isicathulo esithengwa uMusa. uMpumlelo umile nje usupporta uMusa, but mina I blame uMusa ngebehavior kaMpumlelo. I wanna lie, I blame uMusa ngebehavior kaMpumlelo, and nabantu bebakhondona ibehavior kaMpumlelo. I strongly blame uMusa, and I think it's high time uMpumlelo ahlala phansi understand ukuthi nalento aqabanga ukuthi akasiyo, because engqondo kaMpumlelo thinks that because he's the first son kaMusa Mseleku yena uyimdlalifa, kanti no, indlalifa kaMusa Mseleku ulwandle, ngoba ulwandle uzalwa umaqele. And I even heard, even though I didn't like that, I've heard umaqele azibuza ukuthi akanjani uMpumlelo athi lion or in, cause uMpumlelo uzalwa umayeni. Yes, this thing, and we know that mayeni umfazi wesithumela. To me it came across as if usho kanje because she understand that umayeni unumber 2 vele akakwazi nje lo ukuba yilayoni. Angazi mina uyilayoni enjani engawondli ingane. Yazi indaba kaMpumlelo guys iyakhwathisa serious, and maybe yena he thinks ukuthi zonke lezi zinto azenzayo ziyahlekisa, and lot of people maba complain ngebehavior kaMpumlelo iphuthe lenza uMusa yamshield uMpumlelo. Uzobona uzovele athi, I remember on one of the seasons of Ingane Ezithembu uthi abantu abaningi understand uMpumlelo. The last season uthi abantu abaningi understand uMpumlelo, and ivision kaMpumlelo inkulu, yiyo le vision esemcaka namhla uMusa sekakhulu. This season of Uthando Nesithembu, he said yena lokha athi anyeke uMpumlelo athi yena anyeke ezwa ngabafazi ashuma mkhulu wakhe uMusa wathi yena makangashona labafazi bayohlupheka ngoMpumlelo. So yena uzitshela ukuthi uye uMusa then uMpumlelo, ngoba uyasho naye uMusa ukuthi inkinga kaMpumlelo ukuthi ufuna ukuba abantu abayithu ngesikhathi one, ufuna ukuba ubabakhe aphinde abe uye, ufuna ukuthi labafazi bezwe ngaye and then usaphila. So according to uMusa kusho ukuthi naye makangandlula emhlabeni uMpumlelo une-right yokushayela abomama isiginci, kanti ayihambi kanjalo. I think it's high time lo mfana athathwa amukisele esikolweni ayofunda uMpumlelo azoba nesakhe isithembu. And I think uMusa kumele ahocise amazwi akhe, ahocise enzo zakhe kulobolela uMpumlelo, because uMusa makangalobolela uMpumlelo that will be the biggest mistake uMusa ayenzile, because uMpumlelo feels as if izinto zakababakhe ezakhe, and I don't think uMpumlelo uzokavuka ayosebenza as mama akhe bekahlala abuza ukuthi uMpumlelo njengoba athi ufuna isithembu uyosilobola ngani leso sithembu leso. uMpumlelo makalobolela umfazi, leyo mfazi uyodlana. So I think uMusa Mseleku kumele akhulume noMpumlelo, no what, indoda nendoda mayizithathele umfazi wakhe, and uMusa Mseleku kumele afocus on the thing kwabanye abantwana, because uMpumlelo, to be honest guys, ama-fans has been saying uMpumlelo noSinebi bayafana. It's just that ngoba uMpumlelo wafunda isikole waceda, uSinebi wapheka. But I think if uMpumlelo mayebeka intombazane wayizomitha amncane, ngoba naye uyabathanda amantombazane as much as noSinebi atshintsha abafana. And into enhle ngoSinebi noma nengane eziyi-2 nobaba oyi-1 and ingane zakhe zihlawuliwe, you understand. Maybe zona zingabe zingawondla, but ubaba wengane wamenzela uMusa iqiniso, wahlonipha igceke lakaMseleku, wahlawula ingane zakhe. But bazalwane bami zitho, please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.